Broken dreams in the dust of time, screams of anguish in a world so blind, forged in darkness,